Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered Windows script host error, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we'll need to do is make some changes in the registry. For that we will go to registry editor and click on run as administrator. Now we will look for HKey classes root, expand it, and then we will look for .vbs. So this is in alphabetical order. We need to go right down to .vbs file. Okay, here it is, and we need to check for .vbs. Here it is, and then on the default folder we will click on it and double click on it, and we will go to this box edit string, and in this we will enter the value data vbs file. Please remember that vbs and f should be capital and ile should be small. Click on OK, and then next we will run a sfc scan in the command prompt. So command prompt, right click, run as administrator, and enter the command sfc space /scannow and press enter and let the scan run. Now, and the last thing we'll do is restart the system in the clean boot configuration. For that we need to go to system configuration and then click on services. Very important to remember that we need to check this box, hide all Microsoft services, and only then should we click on the other third-party apps which are not required for the functioning of the computer, like this McAfee and Google Updater. Then we'll click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and then click on restart. And once you restart, you should no longer encounter this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.